Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. I just need the research on this Solana project called Chains. I don't want to call the full name. It's called Chains. It have really made wave in the Solana ecosystem. It gave people a lot of money, and now the coin have really come down. Okay, I want to use this coin to teach us how to buy Solana project with one click using bots, Telegram bots. Okay, let's go to Telegram, guys. When you get this, I'll drop the link to this bot in the description of this video. Those in my WhatsApp group, they will get it directly. Just click on the link, okay, to bring it to Telegram. When it comes to Telegram, this is how it will look like. Okay, you just do like this. You need to click on start. Once you click on start, you see an interface like this. Now it remains like this. Bot is this is secured. Okay, this is just like you creating a wallet, okay, to buy coins with. As you can see, you can read up the things here. This is buying bot on Solana project. This is your wallet address. This. Okay, now when you have a bot like this, how do you set up the bot? Because you need to set it up so that it buy coins for you in one click, sell for you in one click. No point you going to all these exchanges to be doing manual buying and selling. Before you know it, price have dumped on you. So this one, as in, you will buy automatically, sell automatically with this. Okay, so how do we go about this? Now when you come to this place, you see all kinds of button. Okay, so you need to click on wallet. Now when you click on wallet, you see that your wallet address is here. Now this my wallet, this my bot is funded. I already funded it. I already funded it, but I'm going to teach us how to fund it now. Now when you click on wallet, you need to click on export private key. Okay, this one, you need to click on export private key. So I'm going to click on it. Click on export private key. It will tell you, are you sure you want to export your private key? You click on confirm. You confirm it. Now it will take some seconds for the private key to be generated. So the private key is being generated now. So as you can see, the wallet, my private key is generated. Okay, my private key is generated. So this private key that is generated, you need to copy it. Just tap on the private key and it is copied. Okay, once you tap on it, it is copied. Now when you copy it, what next do? You now go to you now go to create a wallet. Go to Phantom Wallet now. Now when you come to your Phantom Wallet, this is your Phantom Wallet. Okay, this is the app. For those using app, you just need to click on this settings. You see settings icon. For those using extension, you will see a three line by the left hand side. Click on it and you see settings. Okay, now when you click on settings, you need to click on manage accounts. Okay, click on manage accounts. Now you need to click on add /connect wallet. You need to click on that place. Now it will tell you import private key. Okay, this is import private key. So you need to click on import private key, and then you paste the private key that you have copied. Just paste it here, then write a name to the Solana. You can say Bonkbot. You can say bot, buying bot, buy bot. Okay, just when you click on it like this, you now click on import. Okay, I've done this already in another wallet, which I will show us now. Once you click on import, the wallet will be imported. Okay, so like now, this is my own wallet. For those using extension, this is where you will click. Okay, there are three lines, and then okay, this is my Bonkbot wallet. Click on that three lines and click on scroll up like this. You see settings down here. This is the settings here. Okay, so now when you import a wallet, it's going to look like this. Now you need to fund this wallet. Okay, you need to click on deposit, copy your Solana address, and fund this wallet. Once this wallet is funded, it will reflect directly to your bot. Your bot will notice that the wallet is funded. As you can see, my wallet is aware that this that I am funded. Okay, remember, you can actually delete all these things to make your bot clean. Okay, you can remove all these things. You can still come and delete them later. Now, having set up your bot, now remember we have set up our bot. I deleted most of those things just to make the bot clean. So now, how do we buy with this? Okay, now once you get the contract address of the coin that you want to buy, once you get the contract address, let me get a contract address now. Just like this coin that I have just looked at, the coin have really dipped, it have really gone down. So I believe that this is a good time to just, even if to throw in $5 into it. I think I just want to throw in $5 into this and see what it becomes. Okay, so you need to copy the contract address. I just copied it. Come to our bot. Okay, you just paste the contract address and send. Okay, once you send it, you see that the bot will pick it automatically. The bot will show you the name of the coin. You see the name. This is the name of the coin. This is the contract address. This is the performance of the coin so far. Okay, so this is it. Now, when you come here now, remember I have 0.2 SOL in my wallet. Okay, so I don't want to buy with everything. Now you will see explore. You will see, in fact, what you're looking for here is buy and sell. Okay, at this point you are buying only because you just created the bot, so there is no sell button for now until you buy before you see sell button. So since we have 0.2, I have 0.2 SOL in my wallet. Now, if I want to buy with everything, in fact, there's no point buying with everything. Just click on buy X SOL. Okay, click on buy X SOL. This thing I'm telling you like this, guys, you need to be fast in it. Okay, click on buy X SOL. It will ask you how many SOL you want to buy. You want to buy it with. Now let's say, since I have 0.2, I can say 0.05. Okay, 0.02 SOL. Okay, I'll tell the bot I'm buying with 0.02 SOL. Now you send. This is a command, transaction sent. Immediately the thing it have bought the coin. You see what happened now? Swap successful. It didn't even take up to 3 seconds. The coin is bought. So I've just, and immediately it will start telling you how much you're making or how much you're losing. Every statistics is here. Okay, you see it here. You see the profit. There's no profit for now. There's no loss for now. That's because that coin is just stable. People are not buying it for now. So I just threw in this amount just to use to teach us. Now, when you want to sell, you can still sell. You can see sell 100%. Right here, you can see sell 100%. You can see sell 100%, sell 25%, sell X or sell X. So when you click on sell X, so you can put, okay, sorry, this is buy. When you click on X, sell X%, you can now put how many percent that you want to sell. Okay, if you're selling everything, you click on sell 100%. Once you click on sell 100%, immediately the sell will be triggered and the coin that you bought will be sold immediately. And anytime you want to withdraw, remember, anything you're doing, your money is still in your wallet. Okay, you can withdraw your money at any time. Just this bot is for you to activate buying and selling orders. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope we all understand. Any point you don't understand, you can just rewind the video and watch it again. Now, from time to time, you can now click on refresh. This is where you click to know the performance of the coin. Click on refresh here. You click on refresh, it will tell you everything about the coin. Okay, it will tell you what is happening on the coin. So this is it, guys. If you're in massive profit, it will tell you. You see it here, minus 0.0002. So okay, so this is it, guys. I just wanted to show us this thing. Thank you, guys, and have a wonderful day.